IKEA Place Augmented Reality Review 2025. In this video, I'll review the IKEA Place Augmented app in 2025.
So to get started, IKEA Place allows users to visualize furniture in their home using augmented reality. You simply select a piece of furniture from the app's catalog and place it virtually in your living space using your phone's camera. The app has improved over time with better realism, smoother interaction, and more accurate scaling. The 2025 version includes more furniture options and additional customization features. The augmented reality feature is highly intuitive, and you can rotate the item or resize it to get a better fit in your space. However, one downside is that the app can be battery intensive, so keep your charger handy when using it for extended periods. Overall, the IKEA Place app is a great tool for anyone looking to try before they buy, and it makes the shopping experience more interactive and fun. And that's my review of IKEA Place Augmented Reality in 2025.